Hello everyone, today we will discuss Binance new Web3 wallet airdrop named ZK Link Nova Airdrop. Total cost required is 20 USDC, which will cover all the tasks. Go to Binance wallet and click on the airdrop named ZK Link Nova Airdrop. Click on Join Now. Nova Deposit Task. Deposit any amount of ETH, USDT, USDC, WBTC, or WETH into Nova. Reward 150 KZKL tokens. Aqua Liquidity Provision Task. Supply any amount of USDC, Stone, Puffeth, or WSTETH to Aqua Protocol. Reward 100 KZKL tokens. Layerbank Deposit Task. Deposit any amount of ETH to Layerbank via Clink Nova. Reward 350 KZKL tokens. ZKDX Liquidity Staking Task. Stake any amount of ETH or USDC into the liquidity pool of ZKDX via Clink Nova. Reward 100 KZKL tokens. Is a swap task. Swap any token to from at least $5 worth of ETH, USDT, USDC, WBTC, or WETH on is a swap via Clink Nova. Reward 300 KZKL tokens. If you want full details, click on Tutorial.